of Flagstaff. If you have to be back in the valley for work
stuff
or
is
whatever,
crazy.
the
It was up to me and
DPS is
Lacey's knees. It was past
that
my
they're
knees.
opening
And it came
up
up to Lacey's, like, stomach.
I-17
Oh, finally.
southbound until
go to
6
Phoenix.
p.m. So from
And
now
that got
until
all
6
wet.
p.m., you have a little bit of time to get on the highway and get on out of here. At 6 p.m. it closes, so there will be no
Yeah,
more
that
travel
parking.
after that. Also, on the same note,
Yeah.
I-40 is going to be closing in
$10
both
off when you need.
directions at 6 p.m. They're going to close at Winslow and at Kingman. Oh man, hunker down and stay safe out there and keep it right here on the 96.7 The Wolf.
Right in the way.
I'm sorry.
It really needs to be moved. I about hit it every morning I come out here.
Yeah.
It really is. I about just nailed it yesterday morning.
It's so deep. I don't know if I can move it.
Well, you're going to have to shovel it out. I'd wait till this guy comes and plows for us.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am.
My head's looking at you, I'm like a chicken.
This is crazy madness.
It's a 4-wheel drive truck and we're having problems getting out. Dodge 3500.
It's because the snow is outrageously deep.
Eat snow, Lucy.
Holy!
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
See, there's no way that I'll be able to drive on this in 2016.
You have to learn.
This is crazy snow.
Right?
This isn't your average snow, man. This is bionicle.
Dude, Lacey, that will like come up to your chest, dude.
Look at that sucker.
It's so scary.
Let's go get this on camera. Look at that snow!
That would come up like
Adventure time in Flagstaff.
and like it would rock Lacey's head.
Thank God for these storms out of California.
That's like 5'3". That's like your height right there,
I'm
Lacey.
not. Oh yeah, I am.
I'm 5'7", and you're 5'3". Actually, I'm 5'8".
Failed it run today.
I wonder why. Let's think about this.
I thought I had somebody tell me the post office was closed.
If the post office closes, you know it's bad.
Yeah.